the worst thing wey go happen to man for the life, the worst thing wey go happen to man for the life, na say you go feed another man pikin, as in you go train another man pikin, you go carry the responsibility of another man pikin, you go feel say na your own. Nothing, as in nothing bring man down reach that thing. The worst thing wey go happen to man, I go turn am one story for the video. Get one girl wey come me a few weeks back. Wetin the girl tell me? She say get one of her best friend wey be like say the pikin when the girl carry give her ex guy, not be her ex guy get am. This girl just, this guy not dey again, this her ex guy not dey again, but she leave the pikin for that ex guy, but she know say not be that ex guy, you know, she know the real papa on, but that mumu ex guy now, he dey train the pikin now. And the girl self not dey again now like this as I dey tell you. The girl leave the pikin for her, but the girl dey tell this girl wey come me say she know say that pikin when he leave for that guy, it's not the guy get her. Only the girl family na know. The girl family no know. The girl friends no know. Only the girl family and the girl friends na know. See, the worst thing wey go happen to man for the life, see, no let emotion pity. I dey pity and I dey sorry for her, no allow this to happen to you as a man. If not, you regret your life. I don't see my guy, cool guy. Wey be like say the guy just come for Ghana. Girl wey be like say he come for Ghana, come meet. He just the girl, deal with the girl. You know say the girl don't get belle for outside. But say the girl look and say, this guy guide past my guy, you. Now the girl deal with her. The girl real guy call go Ghana. This guy call train the pikin, no till the pikin reach almost 2 years. Now I find out say the pikin not be young. Full your boy tomb. Now Roba, he come up for the full state. Go, you see now Roba now call the tap, the depression, and now God now help that my guy. Thank God for life. The worst thing we go happen to man for the life. See, all this one that they talk, so no use because of pity. I the sorry for a man accept am, bro. No grey. Not be your pick. If not be your own, if your spirit say that pick not be your own, not be your own. The worst thing we go happen to man for the earth. Now say you go train another man picking. You not go believe what it go happen to you.
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else. Smash that button now.